So Perplexity just came up with its new model called Deep Research, and this Deep Research feature is meant to be a competitor to OpenAI's Deep Research, and uh, the difference is that it's free and also it's way faster. And also, one feature I really like about Perplexity Deep Research is its ability to kind of create these beautiful PDF reports that you can just download to your local device, which is pretty neat. And I'm gonna try to create one in this video. But as you can see, it offers way more features compared to ChatGPT's Deep Research, and it actually outperforms ChatGPT Deep Research in many benchmarks. So let's just have a look at their documentation before trying out the feature. And as you can see, it's performing very well on humanities last exam and many other benchmarks. So if you go down, it says that it actually takes 2 to 4 minutes to actually do the research, which is pretty fast compared with the 30 minutes that deep research from ChatGPT takes to come up with responses. But take that into consideration that deep research from ChatGPT comes up with more words and usually with more sources. But I have realized that much of those words and sources by ChatGPT are fluff. They are not actually useful. So you shouldn't really get fooled by the amount of sources and words that ChatGPT's deep research comes up with. So it's very good at reasoning, and it has been trained to perform well on many topics. And as I mentioned, one thing I really like about it is the ability to create very beautiful PDF documents and also convert it into a Perplexity page. So Perplexity page is something like a social media platform. So not quite like a social media platform, but it's like a weblog, and I'm gonna work on that too to see how it works. But it gives you those features as well, and as you can see, you can basically export your findings into these beautiful PDFs, and it performs well on variety of industries. And if you go down, you can actually see some of let's go down some of the benchmarks. So humanities last exam is like a very popular benchmark which measures these models on their ability to answer a very expert level questions across different fields. And as you can see, OpenAI's deep research is actually uh, around, like, I would say 38% accuracy, and Perplexity deep research is around, I would say, maybe 22.5% accuracy. And so there is like a difference in performance in favor of OpenAI deep research. But I mean, uh, we should the price for OpenAI deep research is about $200 per month, and if you're using Perplexity deep research, you can basically use it for free if you're not a subscriber. So if you go down, there is another benchmark called Simple QA, and on that benchmark, it's performing with 93.9% accuracy, which, I mean, compared to many of other models, it's like hugely better. So just compare that to OpenAI's preview. It's for OpenAI, it's like 45%, but the Perplexity is performing at, like, I would say 96%, 97%. So a huge difference on this benchmark, which is like several thousand questions that test for factuality. And I would say for factuality, Perplexity deep research actually outperforms, based on my experience, the OpenAI's feature, because OpenAI just comes up with a lot of fluff that are not actually useful. I think they do that to, I don't know, increase the word count or something, and they use like non-credible sources like Reddit to kind of support their points, which is not useful. So factuality also matters a lot, and it's quite promising to see how Perplexity is performing on that case. So runtime stats, as I mentioned, it's going very fast. It's very fast. 3 minutes average time. It does 8 searches, 25 steps, and 42 sources around this many words, 1,321 words, which is like pretty good. I mean, ChatGPT's reports are usually 10,000 words. Almost like 10 times more words, but I mean, word count isn't like everything, and also ChatGPT takes like 30 minutes to come up with something. It's quite important to like measure like factuality as well. So let's see how it works. So if you go to Perplexity and just sign in using your account, it's free to uh, create your account, and just maybe I think here we can click on deep research and in-depth reports on complex topics. So let's say I want to do a complex research on, let's say I want to create an uh, AI agency to automate tasks for other companies, and I want to do a competitor analysis. So let's see how it works. Do a competitor analysis, not this one, on my agency, which offers AI automation for other organizations. I'm based in the US. In the US. Okay. And let's say, how can I outperform the competition, right? So let's see. Do a computer analysis on my agency. Okay, so it's doing its research, and as you can see, it should probably come up with something in 3 minutes. But oh, I need to search to web to gather information on computer analysis for AI automation agencies. So I think this is actually what the Perplexity is thinking about right now, and I think if you click here, you can see uh, different sources it's looking at, and some of them are not like very like credible. I mean, they're just websites, right? They're not like journals or anything. So and it gives you an option to enable desktop notification when it's done. And actually, let's see if we can perform multiple searches at the same time. So if I control a duplicate tab, and if I create a new chat, uh let's say I haven't I have a YouTube channel called Other Intelligence, which offers AI tutorials and news. How can I get better and uh, and outperform, get better and do a competitive analysis on my competitors. Okay, let's see how it works. um oh no, yeah, it's doing deep research. Okay, so here it's actually still working on the thing, and I've gathered enough information to answer your query. The findings highlight that the okay, so 32 sources have been covered, and as you can see, it's just thinking by itself, right? These are not actually the outputs. I think these are the chain of thought outputs. Okay, so let's see how it works here. It's creating uh, the research about about my YouTube channel, which is very cool. You can do multiple researches at the same time. And actually, oh, I think the computer analysis is done. It's pretty cool that it also gave us a video. The number one AI automation agency niche for 2025. That's cool, and I like their platform. It's very uh, neat. So if I think the research is done, let's see. It's actually creating, but I like the format. I note you can see all the sources here and cost computer analysis and strategic outperformance for the US based automation agency. The automation security notices, okay, blah blah blah. Market dynamics and growth drivers. The US automation market is projected to grow at a compound annual rate of 23.8% through 2030. And let's look at the resources. Yeah, there are like, I would say, I mean, they're not like journals, they're video. So they're like pretty standard sources. Video is like a consulting firm. So it's better than ChatGPT because when you're using ChatGPT, sometimes it comes up with uh, Reddit as a source. And actually, as you can see, it gives you an option to ask your questions here. And if you compare it to ChatGPT, I think it's better because when you use ChatGPT's deep research, it asks you to answer these questions at the beginning, which might be annoying for some people. Some people just like me want to see the report. And let's see how many words there are. Uh, oh, yeah. Let's just copy this and check this layer. So what I want to check right now is the export function because it seems like we can export our thing into uh, a, PDF file. Let's see. Let's go back to their website, see how we can do it. Oh, if you go here, you can click on PDF. Let's see how it works. Maybe that's a okay. Export PDF. You can change. Okay, hello. Okay, we have it. Oh, that's pretty nice actually. As you can see, it gave us a PDF format the of the thing, which is like very nice. Like if you wanna present this to someone, you can do it in this format, which is actually like very very useful. Actually, it's giving us I think it's giving us a bibliography as well. It's pretty cool actually. Let's see how the bibliography is formatted. Uh yeah, it's good. Remove. Yeah, I mean it's not very well formatted for like professional matters, but I mean, look, it's free and it's giving you features that ChatGPT is not offering. So that's cool. And let's actually go back to see what other features do we have access to. Uh, Generate image, search videos. Oh, so it also gives a feature to search related videos and also search images. Oh, so like you can search images related to whatever we were searching. So highest potential for automation, office administration support, legal, agriculture, and healthcare support. These are very good, right? These are things that ChatGPT doesn't offer, which is very neat. And I think it gives you an option to rewrite. So if you say rewrite, you can rewrite it using their different models. I think you can use the rewrite model to make it bypass. Like, I don't know why you need to use the rewrite model. Maybe you want a better model to rewrite this for the wording. I don't know why you should use that. But export, let's do Perplexity page. If I do that, oh, that's pretty nice. So it actually gives us like something like a web page, like I can submit this as a web page as if like I have written the thing. That's pretty cool. It's like a web page. It's actually published now. Let's see. If I go to Google and if I can search it. Boom, boom, boom. Perplexity. No, it sends us to the Perplexity page. Boom, 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 boom. How you can search that? I think you need to add like Perplexity page, something like that. So if I do this, let's come to Google. Let's write. page, and boom. uh, it's not like that. I guess like it's, you could, other people can see it, but I guess you need to work on the SEO or something. But it's cool, right? They gave us something like uh, a web blog which we can like share as our own work, and it's cool, right? So boom, bro. Oh, actually, yeah, it's pretty neat. We have the table of content, and like we can basically search the share this with others as our own work, right? And we can unpublish it. We can add to the different spaces. It's cool, right? So let's look at the YouTube channel thing. It did the search. Came up with all these sources. Let's actually look at the sources. Uh, yeah, I mean, these are like individual web pages. I'm not sure whether they actually do like journal researches or something. Maybe it's hard to do that in this case. Okay, section one: identify and categorizing competitors in AI content ecosystem. Let's see if it actually came up with like actual competitors. It didn't. No, they're deploying web scraping and technological integration automation for scalable analysis. Conclusion: to surpass competitors, other intelligence must adopt a multi-pronged approach: content innovation, SEO, agility, community building, technological leverage. And you can ask these questions right now. What is this generate image? No, we don't have access to that as a free user, but we can actually export this thing into a markdown. What's that thing? Markdown. Oh, okay. It's like a markdown for a code. It's not worth looking at. But we can change this into uh, PDF too, and let's actually do that. And actually, we can rewrite it in different formats. So let's use maybe Gemini 2.0 Flash to rewrite this. And yeah, we need to pay for that. That's okay. So, yep, that's it. And as you can see, uh, we got our report. I really like the reports. By the way, it's very neat, and you can actually share this in a very professional setting. So, if you like this video, please consider giving us a like and subscribe. So this channel is my channel, Azar Intelligence. So if you like this video, why not consider giving us a like and subscribe? It really helps me. Thank you very much, and have a great day.